come a little later again about this principle. The will by Schopenhauer is absolutely not the will of a personal nor individual subject. Certainly, it is in a way what we call a subject, at least as being not an object, but maybe the term of subject is itself dangerous because it for us, it seems to imply the consciousness, but precisely, or we can say the will of Schopenhauer is an unconscious subject. And what is more precisely the will for Schopenhauer? There is something very, very significant there. That is, according to Schopenhauer himself, that the will is only, so writes Schopenhauer, will is only the human name. Human, I would say, with Nietzsche, too much human. So the human name for what Kant names the thing in itself. The thing in itself, that's Ding an sich, Kant, which has been so frequently understood as a thing behind or beyond the thing of the perception, behind or beyond the phenomena. But I think Schopenhauer understands here Kant in a way, if you want, better than Kant understood himself. But it's not true, because since a long time I think, and even I wrote about that the Ding an sich by Kant is absolutely not another thing like the real thing behind the appearance of phenomena. And I would say, in a way, but I won't do that, but in a way, maybe we could say something similar from the idea of Plato. But we stay with Kant, it's enough. So the thing in itself is absolutely not the real thing behind the appearance or the phenomenal thing. It is the thing, anything, the thing, the much more the fact that there is something than a something. There is something which is, of course, at work in anything. We are here, you are here, I'm here, the computer is here, anyway the sky is here. It is. But what is significant is that it is. That it is. The fact that in the Aristotelian terms, the actuality opposed to the potentiality. Well, Heidegger, no, excuse me, very interesting lapsus, but Schopenhauer, it is a rhyme, Schopenhauer, Heidegger. So Schopenhauer argue that the will is the human name designating, I would say, more than the thing in itself, which is ambiguous, but designating the fact that there is something, the fact of the existence of something. And I could show you, but it would be too long. I could show you how Freud, at certain place, make a relation between the thing in itself and the it. But we can take at least three features of the will of the will of Schopenhauer to understand how it is close to the it of Freud. The first, it is his will.